Okay guys, here we go. So this is what happens, guys. Been having a problem with my phone. I'm recording this for the third time now. Okay, this is what happens. Let's go straight to analysis. This is how we analyze when we analyze Nasdaq. First thing that we do is we find support and resistance, which is basically the highest point and the lowest point. As you can see there, I'm putting my support and my resistance, right? There's two blue lines there, as you can see them. This low is the support, right here above is the resistance. So this is what happens, guys, whenever we start analyzing Nasdaq. The first thing that we do is to find direction of Nasdaq. Finding direction. After finding direction, that's when we can, people are too excited to read. They made a lot of money with Nasdaq. Anyway, guys, check out my Instagram page, Prince_Nasdaq, and my company page, which is Inventive Traders. So I want you to have a look at this point right now. After putting our support and resistance, we use trend lines now to find direction, right? I want you to check this point right here where we use trend lines to find directions. Right at this point, guys. You forgive me, guys. I'm just doing this for the first time, recording with my phone. I'm still gonna get proper equipment to set in this room so that I can record with them. So for now, we're going to use this point. Yes, you can see that I've drawn my trend line from the lowest point going to the highest point, only connecting turning points. As you can see, these are my turning points right here. Turning points. Turning point. I want you to check this turning points. Check them. This turning point. These are my turning points right here. So I want you to check. This is the first point that we have. This is the second point. Come on, guys. Stop sending me messages right at this moment. This is the second point that we have right here. This is the third point right there. So some people would rather like put it on this point. Let me just show you quickly. Brokers are not the same, guys. Sometimes you might find that on another broker it has touched. So let's look at this point right here. Some people prefer putting it like this. Then after doing it like this, we find our third point is this one right there. Right there. That's our third point right there. So this is what we do. Yes, we have now connected turning points. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So from this point that we have right here, this is what you look at, guys. You forgive me, I don't have like really proper equipment because I've been trying to get screen records and all that so that I can record my screen, but I'm failing. So I just had to record it using my phone, holding it this way. So this is what happens. After connecting this, we zoom out our chart. Remember, we're on a daily chart right now. We zoom out our chart. Then we connect from this highest point. Remember, the low support trend line, we connected it from this lowest point. Now we are connecting this resistance trend line on this highest point right there, going up. So basically means on this resistance trend line right here, resistance trend line, we have this first point right there, right this point. Then we have a second point right at this point. Since we are counting 3 touches in order to get the direction, so which means we only have 2 touches, 1, 2, right? We need to find the third one. So this is what we do. We connect all turning points. And I want you to see what happens right now when you connect all turning points. Now I'm working at this point, whereby I'm connecting that point right there. So this is what we do, right, from this point.